Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for visiting. Today what I thought I would do would be a really fun, quick getting ready routine. Something that can be really great for the day and easily transferable to the night. So come on this journey with me and I hope you all enjoy. Okay, so first I'm going to start with the Josie Maran 100% pure argan oil, and I'll put it all over my face. I love this oil. It makes your face feel smooth, and I just think it's just a great prep before you start putting everything else on your face. And now I'm putting my Smashbox 24-hour Flawless Concealer, and really that's just to lighten up just basically my T-zone. So now I'm gonna just start straightening my hair. I kind of do this intermittently, especially when I'm trying to rush in terms of time. I think straightening too, especially if your hair is kind of already straight, it's just easy instead of having to go ahead and curl. Now I'm putting my Nars Eguegu Sheer Glow Foundation on, and I'm using my fingers because I really think it helps with the blending. So I'm just going to put that all over my face. I'm going back with the concealer as more of a highlighter. Typically I'll use a different highlighter, but again, it's just to really highlight that T-zone area. And so now I'm just gonna blend it in. It's not too much, it's just more, again, as a highlighter. continuing on with straightening my hair. Okay, I completely forgot to record, but definitely go back and watch my makeup tutorial. Typically at this point, I'd put on my powder all over my face, I put my blush, and then I'll put on my coffee cake. Again, just underneath my eye, just below my cheekbones, and then on my forehead and chin. And then I will continue, again, intermittently to straighten my hair, and I just really like my powder to set. And then I'll go back and I will, I guess, blend it out or brush it out. I'm not putting eyeshadow right now, but I am putting on eyeliner and mascara. I think especially when you're running with a little bit of time, it's just super easy. If you'd notice, I didn't put concealer or any of my foundation on my eyelids, and so you get your natural eye color, and it kind of ends up looking like you actually have real eyeshadow on, but really it's just your natural eye color. So I'm just putting on mascara and eyeliner, and then I will proceed on to my lipstick. Now I decided to go red because everything else is really subtle, and I feel like when you have subtle makeup, it's really great to have a bold lip. It kind of makes you look a little bit more dressed up, even though you didn't put as much effort in terms of your full face makeup as you normally would in cases such as these. So now I have to find out what I'm gonna wear. Apparently not without a dance break. So there you have it, my very quick getting ready in under 15 minutes routine. I picked this outfit because it's super chill. You can just wear it without a belt and put on some sneakers, maybe a little hat to go out during the day, or you put on the belt, put some nice stilettos or heels on, and you're ready to go for that nighttime look. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned for some more videos coming at you shortly. As always, be sure to like my videos, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and we'll see you soon.